Adonis was there from the start. He saw what rules God put to masculinity. It was seven, but what are they? How did Adonis get this masculine? I don't mean not feeling any emotions at all, because that's impossible. I mean controlling your thoughts that they don't become actions. Number two, when you're at the peak, don't let the pillars fall. I mean, when you're making 10K a month, don't stop making content because people rely on you and they use your help for their life. Number three, Masculinity 1.0 is thinking and working towards your ultimate goal. I mean, every day and night, think about your purpose. But if your purpose is something easy to achieve, set a higher bar for your purpose. Like, I will be the best version of myself to help people be their best version of themselves. Number 4. This is the words that men ought to remember and don't ever forget. And those words are: too much pleasure leads to pain, and too much pain leads to pleasure. By pleasure, I am not saying instant gratification. I mean pleasures that will last a lifetime. Number 5. Having a high SMV. What does it mean? It means sexual market value. How can we increase it? It will not be easy. But this is how you build a life that is worth living. First, how to increase your SMV is building a good body. Second, make money. Third, get high status, like joining a gym and being their leader. And then game. You need to know how to treat women properly. It comes down to this easy 3-step process. Number 1 is making her laugh. Number 2, complimenting her and her complimenting you. And third, getting her Insta. That's how easy it is. Number 6, doing good habits that will support your ultimate goal. Your goal may be like for now, it may be getting to 10K a month or anything like getting a six pack. Number 7, and the most important one, is understanding pain. What is pain? It's a process that takes long and it makes you progress. Then understanding any denial of it and embracing it. Thank you for watching this video, and just by subscribing you can make my whole day. I won't take more of your time because you've got some work to do. So goodbye.